Toucan. The toucan has a big beak. Sparrow. A sparrow is on the tree. Flamingo. The flamingo is pink. Barn owl. The barn owl flies at night. Peacock. The peacock has long feathers. Teal. The teal swims in the lake. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is very strong. Kingfisher. The kingfisher catches a fish. Quail. The quail runs fast. Robin. The robin sings every morning. Cormorant. The cormorant dives into the water. Cockatiel. My cockatiel is friendly. Osprey. The osprey flies over the river. Dove. The dove sits on the roof. Green woodpecker. The green woodpecker pecks the tree. Penguin. The penguin walks on ice. Bee-eater. The bee-eater eats insects. Pheasant. The pheasant hides in grass. Rosella. The rosella is very colorful. Stork. The stork stands in the water. Black swan. The black swan swims quietly. Nightingale. The nightingale sings beautifully. Puffin. The puffin lives near the sea. Goldfinch. The goldfinch is small and fast. Partridge. The partridge runs on the ground. Hoopoe. The hoopoe has a crown-like head.
Crow. The crow is very smart. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw is loud. Kiwi. The kiwi cannot fly. Magpie. The magpie likes shiny things. Eagle. The eagle flies high in the sky. Swan. The swan is very elegant. Barn swallow. The barn swallow flies fast. Hawk. The hawk hunts small animals. Cuckoo. The cuckoo sings in the forest. Turkey. The turkey walks slowly. Lovebird. The lovebird is very cute. Heron. The heron stands still in water. Albatross. The albatross flies over the ocean. Finch. The finch eats small seeds. Secretary bird. The secretary bird walks on land. Mallard. The mallard swims in the pond. Woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks wood. Wagtail. The wagtail moves its tail. Pelican. The pelican has a big beak. African gray parrot. The African gray parrot can talk. Starling. The starling flies in groups. Falcon. The falcon is very fast. Chick. The chick stays with its mother. Lorikeet. The lorikeet drinks nectar. Thank you for watching.